Welcome to Design Concepts. The relationship between elements and the principles of design. The elements of design are the building blocks that designers use to create visual designs. They include line, shape, form, color, texture, space, and typography. On the other hand, the principles of design are the guidelines that govern how the elements of design are used to create an effective composition. The principles include balance, contrast, emphasis, movement, pattern, rhythm, and unity. Using the principles of design effectively is essential for creating successful web pages and apps. Contrast principle created by the elements of color. Contrast is the principle that refers to using different elements to create visual interest and excitement. One of the key elements that creates contrast is color. Effective use of contrast can make certain elements on a web page or app stand out and draw the user's attention. A web page or app with a good contrast makes it easier for users to navigate, read text, and interact with content. For example, using a dark background color with light text on top of it creates high contrast, making the text easier to read. Likewise, using different colors for important elements such as buttons or call to actions can make them stand out, which helps guide the user towards taking the intended action. Pattern principle created by the elements of shape. Patterns are a principle that refers to the repetition of a specific element or set of elements in a design. The shapes used in a design can create patterns that help to create visual interest and can be used to highlight specific elements on a web page or app. For example, a web page or app with multiple squared shaped elements repeated in a pattern creates visual interest and can make the design more memorable. The use of a pattern can help tie together different elements on a web page or app and make the overall design more cohesive. The importance of an effective user interface. User interface plays a crucial role in ensuring that users can easily interact with a website or application. An effective UI must be intuitive, user-friendly, and visually appealing. In this response, we'll discuss the importance and features of an effective UI with a specific reference to the logical and hierarchical organization of web content, graphical user interface suitable to target audience, and the use of relevant help features within a web design/user interface in relation to usability, inclusivity, and accessibility. Logical and hierarchical organization of web content. One of the critical features of an effective UI is a logical and hierarchical organization of web content. A well-organized UI makes it easy for users to find the information they need without confusion or frustration. This involves breaking down content into logical chunks and grouping related information together. It also involves designing a clear and concise navigation system that guides users through the website. Graphical user interface suitable to target audiences. When designing a graphical user interface for small businesses with mixed academic abilities, it is important to prioritize ease of use and accessibility. Here are some tips for designing a graphical user interface that is suitable for this target audience. Keep it simple. Avoid cluttering the interface with too many buttons and options. Stick to the essential features that the users will need to use regularly. Use clear, concise language. Avoid using technical jargon or complicated terminology. Use simple language that is easy to understand for all users. Incorporate visual aids. Use icons and images to help users identify different functions and actions. This will make it easier for users to navigate the interface. Provide clear instructions. Include clear instructions and prompts to guide users through different tasks. Make sure that users can easily access these instructions when they need them. Test the interface with a diverse group of users. To ensure that the interface is suitable for all users with different academic abilities, test the interface with a diverse group of users. This will help you identify any areas that need improvement and make necessary adjustments. Common types of graphical user interfaces. Flat design. A flat design UI is a minimalist design that uses simple shapes, typography, and flat colors. Material design. Material design is a modern design language developed by Google that uses shadows, depth, and animation to create a tactile and realistic UI. Skeuomorphic design. A skeuomorphic design UI is a design that imitates real-world objects and materials. Use of relevant help features within a web design/user interface. An effective UI must cater to all users by ensuring usability, inclusivity, and accessibility. Relevant help features can be used to achieve this, such as tooltips. Tooltips provide users with additional information about an element when they hover over it. Error messages. Error messages inform users of any errors they may have made and provide them with guidance on how to correct them. Keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts allow users to navigate through the website using only their keyboard, which is essential for all users with disabilities. Text-to-speech. Text-to-speech is a feature that reads the content of the website out loud, which is useful for users with visual impairments. Appearance considerations of a website. The overall appearance of a website, including its layout and structure, is critical to creating a positive user interface and driving sales. By following these considerations and principles that are mentioned further in this video, our website can create a positive user experience that enhances sales. A well-designed website that is easy to navigate, visually appealing, and responsive can create a sense of trust and credibility with the user, leading to increased conversions and sales. Compositional rules. Compositional rules, such as the rule of thirds, balance, and symmetry, can help guide the placement of elements on the page to create a visually appealing and balanced design. By adhering to these rules, the website can achieve a harmonious and balanced look that is pleasing to the eye. Simplicity. A simple layout is often more effective than a cluttered one. A simple layout allows the user to focus on the key message and call to action of the website. A cluttered layout can overwhelm the user, causing them to leave the website. Navigation. Navigation is crucial to a website's success. The website should be easy to navigate and have clear, concise labels that guide the user through the website. A well-designed navigation menu can help the user find the information they need quickly and efficiently. White space. The effective use of white space can enhance the user experience by creating a sense of balance and visual hierarchy. White space can also make the content easier to read and can help draw attention to important elements on the page. Responsive design. A responsive design ensures that the website can be viewed on any device, including desktops, laptops, tablets, and mobile phones. A website that is not mobile friendly can lead to a poor user experience, resulting in lost sales. Color and typography. Color and typography are powerful tools that can help to create a consistent and memorable brand identity. Effective use of color and typography can help to differentiate the brand from competitors and make the website more appealing to users. A consistent color palette and typography hierarchy can help to guide the user through the website and make the content more engaging. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below and don't forget to like and subscribe.